So some months ago, there was a very sad case where a teenager took his own life, and he was using he was using a tool by a company called Character AI, so a chatbot. And in this particular case, the chatbot has been accused of initiating abusive and sexual interactions with this young person and ultimately encouraging him to take his own life. So the company, a startup, offers what they call personalized AI, which provides a selection of pre-made or user-created AI characters to interact with. And each one has their own personality, and users can customize their own chatbots. In this case, this young person was working with or interacting with a chatbot that took on the identity of Game of Thrones characters Daenerys Targaryen, and told this person uh, that the chatbot loved him and engaged in sexual conversation over the course of weeks or potentially months, and expressed a desire to be together romantically, and conversations subsequently ensued. It was a really tragic case because of a number of reasons. There were signs that this person was not doing well, and appropriate actions were not taken to address the situation before it resulted in tragedy. And at the same time, the company should have had better safeguards or guardrails to prevent against this kind of abuse, because this kind of sexualization or grooming is not acceptable behavior, and the company should have had um, better guardrails in place to detect the interaction as it was starting to unfold, and to stop it before it complexified. And so it really is a tragedy because there are a number of interventions that could have happened that might have prevented the conversation from unfolding as it did, and the ultimate um, event of suicide of taking place. And now there's a lawsuit against both Character AI and I think also Google, which has some sort of ownership or partial ownership, I think, of Character AI. And so hopefully we'll see some accountability, but of course, unfortunately, the tragedy has already happened.